Good afternoon. Good evening. Steve from All Star Case Breaks. Doing box of 2017-18 Hoops basketball for Randy. Welcome to the room. Paul, do you see what I hit for Lance out of that? Oh, cool. Who else pulled them? Probably some of the big hockey guys. Okay. Let me open the rest of the packs here. Hey. It killed my cup sales today, but it's all right. I think the cup's going to go up fairly significantly, so if I don't sell it today, it'll probably sell for more in a month or two. Randy, good luck, man. Do you want a Dirk too? If I see a base, or give it to Paul. LeBron backstage pass. Dennis Schrader, team leaders. Okay. Jason Tatum, we got next. Kobe. Tim Duncan. De'Aaron Fox, rookie. There's your Dirk, Paul. Shaq. Malik Monk. Teron Prince out of 199. There's Alonzo. Avery Bradley out of 999. Kobe. Jonathan Isaac. Giannis. Jason Tatum. Yes. I haven't seen a centered ball yet. The Tatums are good, but every one has been off miscut the same way. LeBron, Kobe, Frank Jackson. Oh, man, you picked the right one. Congrats, man. Welcome to the room. Let me get a top loader. That's the first big autograph so far. Yeah. I would guess there's one or two of those a case. Although the Paul, I don't know if you've been. Cody on YouTube breaks with me once or twice a week now, and he said he did a case of hoops this morning and got 2 Tatums out of a case. So maybe I don't know. Maybe if there were 2 good ones a case, I guess that would be the 2. Justin Jackson. Miles Turner. LaMarcus Aldridge. Shaq. Nikola Jokic. Kobe Bryant. And Joel Bolomboy. Autograph. Jawan Evans. Jared Allen. He plays for the Jazz. I don't know. Man, congratulations on the Fultz. Let me know if you want another box. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hey. Good luck, box 2. Sorry these take so long. It's just... Oh, and I didn't even do the backs. Good grief. Remind me to do the backs for the red backs when I'm done. Or maybe you'll get rookie red backs. Those are obviously better. Good luck. Here we go. Box 2. Shaq. Kobe. You say Shaq and Kobe a lot in this product. John Collins. Justin Jackson, rookie. Papagiannis out of 99. Kobe. Oops. Wesley Imundu. Okay. Ryan Anderson. All right, let me finish the break and I'll... Hey, Chad. What's up, man? DeAndre Jordan. Ian Clark. Championship moments. 67 of 99. That's only the second one of those maybe we've hit. Juwan Evans. Oh man, the Curry, Monk, and Ball. Were your Lonzo Balls off center also? Kareem. Or did you notice? Shaq. Oops. DeRozan. Bradley Beal out of 2017. Steph Curry, picture perfect. Kobe. Jonathan Motley. Well, there's your Maverick auto. DeMar DeRozan. Oh, well, good. Trevor Ariza. Kuzma, rookie, 20th man. Why couldn't that have been Ball? 25 of 199. And there's your Tatum. Oh, yeah. Man, you're on fire tonight. Damian Lillard. I don't think he has many autographs. Congrats, man. Especially out of a Hoops product. Embiid. And TJ Leaf. Larry Nance Jr., red. And Carmelo Anthony, red. Congrats, man. Let me know if you want any more. Where's my phone? Oh, thanks, man. Appreciate it. Welcome to the room.